Good morning. Today we are doing experiment parts of a flower. This is hibiscus flower. First you have to take the needle. The first part, pedicule. Pedicule is stalk-like structure. Pedicule is a stem that connects part of the body to each other. The next part, apicalyx. Slowly remove the apicalyx part. Is done. First remove the apicalyx. And next part, calyx. Calyx made up of 5 sepals. All sepals fused gamosepalous. Gamosepalous. Slowly remove the calyx with the help of needle. The next part is corolla, so remove it slowly. This is 5 petals. And next, this is female reproductive part, which is the gynoecium. And this part is stamens. Stamens, see. This is female reproductive part. The separate and slowly the separate style. This is very sensitive part of the flower. This is the androecium part. Slowly separate male and female parts. And next, anthers. Anther is kidney shaped structure, free and monoecious. This part is filament. This female reproductive part, that is the gynoecium. These are all anthers. The yellow color part is formed. This is style. The last part is ovary. The ovules covered by the ovary.